What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com, again coming at you with another succession of hardware wallet unboxing videos, so stay tuned to the end. Today we're looking at a company called SecuX. It's a Taiwan-based company, and they have 3 different hardware wallets, and we'll take a look at some of the differences at what they have here. And first one we're going to take a look at here is called the SecuX W10 hardware wallet. This is a large, flat, touchscreen hardware wallet, and this one is a USB connected wallet, so this one isn't wireless and it has no app functionality. However, when you plug it into the desktop app, you can manage all the basic coins. So with this particular hardware wallet, it comes with all the basic support for the top 5 or 6 market cap coins. You have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and an interesting enough Grossel coin, which has native support, which is unlike any other hardware wallet I've seen. And then of course, Binance coin and the ERC20 tokens. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, take a quick look at the presentation and go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here. The wallet here has the same chip, the CCEA5 Plus crypto controller, and that's the same chip that they use for the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X. Actually, the Ledger Nano X is the exact chip that they use. So it has a secure element to protect all your private keys. And we're gonna take a look at this box here, see how the presentation is. So far the box looks pretty nice. It kind of resembles like an iPhone box, so pretty good quality here. Looks like they do have some security packaging on the box, which is very refreshing. I like to see that. Even if they are proud of having a secure chip in there, I do like to see that the box hasn't been tampered with at all. So very interesting presentation here with a very nice looking box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this here. And all right, so you slice that open here. It has like a magnetic clip. So that's pretty interesting, and looks like pretty nice here. This is a 2.8-inch LCD display with a full touch screen. And the way that they have it set up is pretty interesting here. It's a very interesting matte finish on the back. It has a single button here for authorizing transactions, and it looks like they only have 1 port. I'm gonna go ahead and open that here. It looks like that's blocked off as well, which is also a good sign. They have the same thing with the Trezor wallets as well, where they cover the ports as well as the box. So I like that extra security. It looks like it's a not a USB-C, but a micro USB. And this wallet here looks pretty interesting. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll do a full tutorial and the full setup here. But so far the presentation is nice. The quality of the plastic actually feels and looks pretty nice here. So that's the wallet itself. Let's take a look and see what comes in the box. So has a nice blue readme first. Lets you know that you need to upgrade the device right when you set it up here. It does have an app, an iOS and Android app that you can use for managing the portfolio, but it doesn't connect directly, and some of those features will be available in some of the other models that we'll take a look at here in a minute. But pretty interesting. Just kind of gives a one simple sheet here that shows what kind of the differences are between this one and the other model, and also some instructions on how to get it set up and some basic troubleshooting. So that's kind of nice. Comes with your basic getting started guide, a little more in-depth on top of the insert that they have here. And pretty good presentation with that as well. Comes with, looks like 2 recovery seed sheets, and this is for your recovery seed phrase, 24 word. And you obviously want to keep these safe, because if you ever need to restore your wallet, this is exactly how you'll do it. So just in case you're new to hardware wallets and how the basic setup usually is. And it comes, it looks like, with this really nice pouch for protecting it, keeping scuffs and dirt off the screen. And inside is your USB to micro USB cable. So pretty interesting. I'm excited to set this up and in the next video do a tutorial of how to activate this and how to set it up. But looks pretty basic. I like that it has a full large screen display for authorizing transactions, and the quality looks pretty good. So that's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up, and we're going to go ahead and unbox the next version in the next video. Real quick, just so you're aware, if you're interested in getting this wallet, it is at $99 right now. And if you use the code Bitcoin Lockup, all one word, at checkout, you will get an extra 10% off. So make sure to do that. I will leave that down below. A link for that in the description for the direct URL to do that, but make sure you use the discount code and save some money when you're doing this. So that's it for today's video. Crypto Renegade out.